Russia is the country with the third highest confirmed COVID-19 infection rate, and it's just reported its worst single day. It's continuing, though, to ease its lockdown, and the President, Vladimir Putin, has left it up to regional governors to decide how and when conditions are right to lift measures. Moscow is keeping strict health protocols in place. Our correspondent Glina Polanskaya tells us more.
When the pandemic spread into Russia, Christopher Zemlyaniko decided to put up a fight. 2 weeks ago, he started work in one of Moscow's COVID-19 hospitals as an orderly in its intensive care unit.
7 people died during this time in our intensive care unit. I especially worry about one woman. At first, I thought she was very old. I looked at her documents. Lord, she's only 50. Everyone was sure that she was going to recover, and suddenly she fell into a coma. She's in a critical state right now.
Russia has become the world's second most infected country by the virus. However, Vladimir Putin has begun to ease the lockdown measures. The nationwide lockdown that lasted for 6 weeks ended on the 12th of May. But it did not mean a return to normal life. Putin has put responsibility on the regional authorities to decide how and when the restriction measures can be lifted. There are around 18,000 COVID-19 patients in serious condition in Moscow's hospitals, and new patients arrive every day. The lockdown in the epicenter of the pandemic continues. Moscow is still at serious risk, said its mayor. The lockdown in Moscow was extended until at least the end of May by the mayor. Wearing masks and gloves in public spaces is now obligatory. Andrei Kondrashov volunteered to work in one of Moscow's private clinics transformed into a COVID-19 hospital. He does not see the light at the end of the tunnel.
There are still a lot of patients, not less than before. Many doctors get sick, even globally. Some of them even die.
Moscow's mayor Sergei Sobyanin warned that the coronavirus death rate in the capital would be significantly higher in May than it was in April. Galina Polonskaya, Euronews from Moscow.